Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Danny from Dahua Overseas Business Center. Today we'll be unboxing a 4K USB camera that features a plug-and-play function for quick and easy installation. Introducing the Dahua UC380H 4K USB camera. Here's the product box. You can see the model number here. The dimensions of the box are 233mm by 112mm by 100mm, and it weighs 1 kilogram. Let's open the box. Here we go. So this is what it looks like on the inside. As you can see, it includes a user manual, a remote control, a USB cable, and the camera itself. Let's take a closer look at the 4K USB camera. The camera dimensions are 194mm by 34mm by 42mm. You can see a USB interface port on the back for quick connection to laptops or desktops. As stated in its name, the 4K USB camera supports 4K ultra high definition at 25 to 30 frames per second. It's also equipped with a wide-angle lens, providing a 120-degree wide-angle field of view. The built-in 360-degree omnidirectional microphone offers a pickup range of up to 6 meters, ensuring each speaker can be clearly heard. Furthermore, it supports auto-framing that can automatically adjust the frame and angle to center the people on camera. As I mentioned earlier, this camera offers a plug-and-play function for easy installation, and with the mount, you can place the camera on top of the screen or desktop. The 4K USB camera is compatible with multiple mainstream conference software for additional convenience. Overall, the Dahua UC380H 4K USB camera has tons of amazing features, making it ideal for small conference rooms of 5 to 8 people. With its auto-framing function and built-in microphone, you can be assured that every participant will be seen and heard. As always, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification icon. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a safer society and smarter living.